Wow. So this CPC Go coffee is actually ranking for $52. Can you even believe it? Coffee manga. Greatness of this particular keyword is the CPC is $6.82 with keyword difficulty of 7. So 3 methods how you can get the high CPC keywords for ranking on Google. First method is by
smash the thumbs up button right now. Subscribe now to Exotic Investment YouTube channel.
We are going to talk about the high CPC keywords, how to find the high CPC keywords in this particular video. We'll actually concentrate on one particular niche for whatever the high CPC keywords we are supposed to find out. And I have already given the information about how to find the high CPC niches for Adsense Arbitrage. I'll put the link over here or here, and you will be able to find out how to find the high CPC niches over here. And in this particular video, I'll give you high CPC keywords. Volume of high CPC keywords is what determines how much you will make per month in your Adsense account. That being said, let's jump into my computer and I will show you 3 methods how you will be able to find out the high CPC keywords for the niche which you are concentrating on. We are here on my computer and we are going to the first method, that is the flipper.com, and I have already given in the niches. I've already given this information about how to find the niche on flipper.com, and today with the niche which you are selecting, we will find out the high CPC keywords in this particular niche. Okay, so let's go to flipper.com and let's go to websites. And once I go to the websites, I will go to the recently sold blogs and I will select revenue generating and I will select websites and online businesses. I'll select a blog for the content and I'll scroll down to find out if it is the recently sold. And over here at the top, the filter, I'll go to most recent. It will be the most relevant, which will be selected at the top. I'll go to most recent and select everything which actually is making us the money. Okay, let's go to googledog.com. There are so many things which you can do with the dog niche. So let's jump in and let's understand what dog niche has to offer for us. Let's go to googledog.com on SEMrush. The method I will be using to find the high CPC keywords is SEMrush, and go to SEMrush and go to organic research and put up googledog.com and search. So the engine of our high CPC keywords has already started and now we have 1.9k keywords. The 4 things which you have to concentrate on when you are finding out the high CPC keywords is USA, UK, Australia as the target country. The second thing you have to do is find out the volume. The volume should be at least starting from 200 in the range. And the next thing is the keyword difficulty. It's very much important to rank faster for the keywords. So it is very important to find out the low competition keywords. You have to rank very fast for the keywords which you have already selected, and for this you have to select the low competition keywords and high CPC keywords. So let's go to keyword difficulty and key in from the custom range of 0 to 19. And if you don't have SEMrush, you can very easily click the link in the description and opt for a 7-day free trial. Coming back, we have the keyword difficulty from 0 to 19. I'll apply this. So now we have 40 keywords which we can concentrate on to write the blog posts. We have to find out which of the keywords is of high CPC. So let's go to advanced filters and I'll select CPC and I'll select greater than and I'll key in 0.3. This is very important to find the high CPC keywords. We have the high CPC keywords and we have 25 of the keywords. Let's select the CPC and let's sort according to highest to lowest CPC. Now let us see Swiss Doodle. There are lots of keywords which are above $1 in CPC. So the CPC here for this doodle is $1.97 as well. And look at the keyword difficulty. It is just 12. Whatever the keyword difficulty less than 19 is very easy for you to rank on Google first page. Alright, the second method which I'll teach you is just by going to the SEMrush itself by selecting your favorite topic. For example, if you're looking for coffee as a niche, then you can select keyword magic tool and very easily key in the coffee. Then let's jump into SEMrush and go to keyword magic tool and select USA as the country and type in coffee. You'll be amazed to find out how many high CPC keywords are available in any particular niche as well with very low competition. Coffee is almost giving us 3.2 million of the keywords. We really don't want so much. We already have 4 things which we have to filter. One is the country, that is United States, and second is volume. Volume should be 200 and above. And next is the keyword difficulty. Keyword difficulty should be 0 to 19. Anything above 19 is hard to rank. Even with selecting United States and volume as 200 and keyword difficulty 0 to 90, we have 4.4k keywords. This is really big. So we really don't want that. I have applied the CPC range from $0.3 and above. Even with CPC of $0.3 and above, with the keyword difficulty of 0 to 19 and volume of 200 and above, with United States we have lots of keywords. The keyword, look at the keyword difficulty over here. It is just 7 for coffee manga. Greatness of this particular keyword is the CPC is $6.82 with keyword difficulty of 7. That's incredible, and we can't even believe that this is so much profitable. Let me sort by CPC and let's see which is the highest CPC we can find for coffee niche. We are here with 1.9k keywords. Can you really believe what you are actually seeing? There is a keyword which is one keyword is worth $119. $119 for one click of that particular keyword, and that particular keyword is Starbucks coffee organic. That keyword has a CPC of $119. The second highest CPC in coffee niche is Go Coffee, which ranks with the CPC of $52.35, and the Voltage Coffee is $38. The Good Stuff Coffee is $36. Bosch built-in coffee maker is $28.71. Can you really believe it? All these keywords are lesser than 19 in keyword difficulty in just 2 months, which you can rank for on Google first page, and per click you can get about $30 plus in each of these keywords which I actually discussed. You have really high CPC niche with coffee. So if you are looking for building a blog for finding the high CPC, this is the way you have to employ SEMrush and get the high CPC keywords. Third method how we can find out is by going to Google and searching for your particular competitors on Google. I have selected this particular website, that is Go Coffee Go, and this is the first website which I could find using the Go Coffee as the keyword, which is almost about $6.59. I have selected organic research on SEMrush and I have put in the gocoffeego.com as the root domain, searched for it and selected the volume of 200 and keyword difficulty of 0 to 19, CPC as higher than 0.3 and above. So this CPC Go Coffee is actually ranking for $52. Can you even believe it? Look at this beer blend, that is $25.89 in CPC, and Bunny Coffee is $3.86, Onyx Monarch is $3.81. All these are great CPC keywords where you can very easily rank on the first page of Google. The keyword difficulty for Go Coffee $52.35 is just 8 in keyword difficulty. Bear blend shows up as the keyword difficulty of 15 and the CPC is 25.89. Can you really believe it? There is a lot of great keywords available in this coffee as a great niche. You can find out lots of high CPC keywords as well. So 3 methods how you can get the high CPC keywords for ranking on Google. First method is by going to flippa.com and searching for the recently sold websites, coming back to the SEMrush and doing an organic research of that particular website, putting in the filter targeting of US, CPC is higher than $0.3 and above, volume is 200 plus, your difficulty is within the range of 0 to 19. And the second way is your favorite topic. For example, coffee is a topic, and you can come to SEMrush and put in the keyword by going to keyword magic tool and very easily find out with the 4 filters which I've already mentioned, in those filters and find out which CPC keyword is ranking at the highest for that topic which you are actually looking for. The third method is by going to Google and searching for your competitors in that particular niche. Go to first 3 websites which is ranking for that particular topic, put in that particular website in SEMrush by going to organic research, then the 4 filters which I have already mentioned, and you will very easily find out the high CPC keywords with the competitors, which competitors are already ranking for. Those are the 3 methods how you can easily find out the high CPC keywords. If you are looking how to find out the niche, click this particular video and you will find out the niche very easily for the high CPC keywords, which niches work great for Google Adsense Arbitrage, given this in this particular video. The second video is to find out the pros and cons about the Google Adsense Arbitrage. You can find in this particular video. I will see you in these videos.